Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. Today we have a lecture 37 of ICT A to Z beginner series. In this lecture I'm going to show you the market maker sell model of ICT. So let's get started. Before I jump into the example, I want to show you some theoretical points that, as you know, we have to first see some sort of consolidation. Okay, then you will see once the consolidation leaved and it's a retest again, or it might be not. So it can be a first stage of accumulation, then you will find a second stage of accumulation, and then price tap on the POI. It can be anything in POI, like 1 hour high time frame POI, or 4 hour, or a daily. That can be a order block, breaker block, fair value gap, or anything. Then you will find any setup here of ICT of 22 model, core content, or 23 mentorship. You will find that one, first stage of distribution, second stage of distribution, and the liquidity. So here in the chart in a gold, you will see you have this consolidation. Market leave the consolidation, come back to the consolidation. We have this fair value gap. Okay, so it can be considered as a first stage of accumulation. Then we have this leg. This whole leg is considered an order block, right? So one is tap. It can be considered a second stage of accumulation. Once is tap on the higher time frame POI, where we call this a low risk sell. Here you will see many opportunities where you can sell. You have this inversion fair value gap, price tap on it, right? You have this fair value gap, and then you have this market structure shift. You have this fair value gap. Okay, so your can be first distribution here, second distribution, and carry on. Or for some one of you might be this will be a first distribution and this will be a second distribution. These order block, these are two close candles is respected here, so it will be a second stage of distribution, and your target is here. All right, so sometime for your notes that these step, as you seen here, the price out from the consolidation and came back to the consolidation. Okay, sometimes this doesn't happen, so you don't have to wait for to come back. Okay, if you find any type of setup in this leg, you in or wait for your POI. Okay, once it's reached to your POI, you can directly sell from there, or you will wait for some sort of setup here. All right, so the thing, make sure you join our Telegram channel and join some good brokers in the link, because in the coming weeks you will see I will start a live tape trading. Okay, so make sure you will join that one, and I hope you must have joined my IB link from the broker, so you can join this free live tape trading. Okay, until next time, be safe.